Here at Renishaw AMPD, based at Stone, we deal with additive manufacturing machines. We look at the design and the build of those. Because of the complexity of the machine, we need a whole array of different workstations and equipment to support that need. From pretty much day one, when we had the equipment installed and in place, it lifted the whole site. So from having personalised work trolleys, the guys could store the tools in. That was quite an important thing to have. They don't have to go hunting for equipment, it's all in one place. It's there, they can take it what they need, carry out the work, and their job's a lot easier, a lot faster. Bit of lean manufacturing going on there really, and it also meant that we've got new workspace to store equipment and have that essential facility we needed on site.
We've recently moved into one of the older buildings on the site, and it's gone through a complete refurbishment from floor to ceiling, and created an open plan workspace primarily so that we can create a workflow that helps us build our instrument in the most efficient way possible, to create workstations and workspaces that were flexible enough for us to configure and reconfigure as we grew into our building. Human Workspace provided a service and a team to install, fit and configure all of the new workstations in the new manufacturing area, and they're very used to our requirements and our demands and turn around solutions for us really quickly. We had a particular problem storing a large base plate, quite an expensive part, and the way in which we were storing them meant that from time to time we were damaging this particular part. Having spoken to Mark Berlitzson, he came up with a solution where we might try some cantilever racking, and we actually came up with a footprint that suited our space, and actually we've completely eradicated damaging that particular part, and that's because we've gone to this solution that Human Workspace suggested.
I feel very comfortable and confident dealing with Human Workspace and Mark. They provide an exemplary service, the communication is great. They are very good with input as well, so when we have ideas, Mark readily will visit, and we put down our ideas, and equally they come back with solutions too. So yeah, we're very pleased with it. If there are any issues, they're ironed out very easily, and yes, I would say it's a very good relationship.
One of the things I like about the Human Workspace kit is the way that our business works. You know, we're growing and we're constantly having to maximise the space that we've got available to us, and that means we have to be able to come up with new solutions and new ways of laying out our manufacturing areas. And for the last 20 odd years I've had a really good experience of using Human Workspace kit, because we can pretty much dismantle it and put it back together within the space of a day or so, you know, and be up and running. It's almost like engineers meccano.
For Renishaw, Human Workspace worked really well. It's a fast, efficient service, friendly, and we've also got the advice you need at the end of a phone or by an email.
I would definitely recommend Human Workspace. We've always had very good experiences with them, and they're very good company to work with.